Hi there, Melville is here. So in this video I'm just going to talk about your revisions. So everything is done and let me show you step by step. So your first revision was about the review cross sells. So I'm just opening this and refresh your account. Now we will find out the review or cross sell flow. So this one is your review and cross sell flow. Flow, and now we will review this. So this is the subject line and preview text. If you want, you can change, and this is our template. So we will just review this again. See that here the product which needs or require review, this will automatically appear as we add a dynamic coupon code, dynamic image code here, and here is also that dynamic image and the product review section. So I am just going to preview this to see the full preview of the template. See that? So this is the product which required review. See that this is the review. Okay, so if anyone click here, they will directly send to the product page, and in the bottom, I mean where it is, yeah, here you can review the product. Okay, and then now I'm just going to talk about now the birthday countdown. So here I just set up 3 email templates. So first one is 2 weeks ago. I think we should make it 2 days. Okay, not this one. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 2 days ago. Okay, I set up 2 days ago. If you need to change decrease or increase, you can simply increase or decrease the days from here. Okay, and this is actually let me make it 2 days. Okay, so this template will send before the 2 days of the birthday, and this will send after the birthday. Okay, so let me show you the template preview. This is the template for the first I mean the 2 days before the birthday, and this template design for the birthday, and here in the condition, the condition is if anyone place their order, they will get this mail, but if they do not, they will get this mail. Okay, actually they both are same. So please review everything and let me know if you have any questions about this whole video. And the rest one is the backend stock flow. So here is the backend stock flow. I'm just going to edit the content so that I can see the full preview. Yeah, if I just click on this preview, we will show the product. I mean, yeah, see that this is the product. Okay, so if anyone click here, they will send to direct to the product page, or anyone click this button. Okay, so this is how about the video about your revisions. Please let me know if you have any questions about this video, or you can ask me any questions at Fiverr. As soon as possible, I'll get back to you and answer all of your questions. Thank you so much.